So we had a short list of 3 IDs that were really good. So it made our life really hard to choose among the 3. But when we went down to the nitty-gritty details, we found that Terry was really forthcoming, reasonable, and I felt he was a very genuine person when we met him. So we went with our gut. Yeah, always go with your gut, and that's how we got Terry. Hi, I'm Gulshan.
Hi, I'm Jeevan.
And welcome to our home. Growing up, I always loved speakers and a dark theme house. So when I was discussing with my wife, like what kind of house are we going to live in, initially she was like, oh, I want a really bright house, I don't want dark accents and so on and so forth. But then along the way, we Google, Pinterest and so on, and we saw really nice themes where wooden essential all throughout the house. So we came, and of course we had a fantastic ID, Terry, who assisted us throughout the whole journey of choosing the colors, and even to the smallest of details like some fluted panels that made a world of a difference. When we first got our 3D rendering, there was some stuff that we did not like, and thankfully Terry was very nice, and he mentioned that, you know what, whatever you want, let's change the number of times until we get it right. So we didn't start any of the works till we were like 100% happy with the 3D works. And very thankful to Terry again. He's a very patient man.
Yeah, we were going back and forth many times just to get it right. And Terry was there with us all the way, helping us, and was very patient.
Yep, the speakers that is integrated to the house. You look around, you won't be able to see any of the wires, because the carpentry team and electrician team did a fantastic job. It looks very clean for a speaker setup of like, we have like 7-8 speakers in the house. So yeah, for me it's the speaker setup and how it's integrated. And
for me, it's like how we did our kitchen. We ensured that we made all drawers and not cabinets, because if you put cabinets below, it's very hard to dig for stuff. So having drawers makes life much more easier. Yeah, that's the highlight for me. We actually have a pasta pipe.
Yep.
So it's actually like above our stove. So we don't actually have to go to the basin to get water. We can just turn on the tap above the stove. If you're making pasta or you need water to make tea.
Yeah, I think it's for our child. We love our tea, so that was our number one, having water access at our stove.
We really love our home.
Yeah, I feel like every day I come back, I'm actually coming back to a hotel more than a home. I think I need to be a bit humble here, so 9 out of 10, but in my heart and head, I think it's 11 out of 10.
I agree. So we would like to thank Terry from theiplanstudio. Thank you so much for working with us and making our dream home come to life.
Thank you, iPlan.